Welcome to Vedic Wisdom, the podcast where ancient teachings meet modern lives. I'm your host Lalita Murali, and today we are exploring a timeless lesson from the Indian scriptures, one that can help us navigate the complexities of our modern world with calmness, clarity, and wisdom. Whether you're commuting, relaxing at home, or seeking personal growth, this episode is for you. So sit back, take a deep breath, and let's dive into a story inspired by the Ganesha Purana that teaches us about the power of emotional regulation. In today's fast paced city of Mumbai, two friends, Rahul and Aisha, often found themselves caught in heated debates about their careers and personal lives. Rahul was known for his calm demeanor, always trying to maintain composure, while Aisha, passionate and impulsive, sometimes let her feelings take over. One evening, as they sat in a cozy cafe after a long day, Rahul decided to share a story from the Ganesha Purana, an ancient scripture that holds timeless wisdom. He began, "There's a beautiful incident from the life of Lord Ganesha during his childhood that illustrates the importance of emotional regulation. Ganesha was playing with his brother Kartikeya. They were young, full of energy and mischief. At one point, their mother Parvati called Ganesha for a special task. Eager to impress, Ganesha agreed to help her. But then, Kartikeya challenged him to race around the world, claiming he would win easily. Ganesha looked at his brother and thought about the challenge. Instead of reacting impulsively or getting angry, he took a moment to think. He realized he couldn't outrun his brother physically, but then he remembered something very important: the value of wisdom and love. So he walked around his parents, declaring, "My parents are my universe. I am my parents." In doing so, he subtly demonstrated that he valued his family and his own intelligence over petty competition. His mother Parvati was deeply impressed. She acknowledged Ganesha's wisdom and emotional maturity, recognizing that his calm, thoughtful response was more powerful than any race. That day, Ganesha showed us that true strength lies in managing our emotions and choosing our responses wisely. Rahul looked at Aisha and said, "This story resonates with me all the time and teaches that emotional regulation isn't about suppressing feelings but about choosing how we respond." Ganesha could have reacted with anger or frustration towards his brother, but instead, he used his intelligence, patience, and self control to navigate the situation. In our everyday lives, whether at work, in relationships, or dealing with setbacks, staying calm and composed help us make better decisions and maintain peace of mind. Aisha nodded, reflecting on her own impulsiveness. "Sometimes I react without thinking, and it just makes things worse," she admitted. Rahul smiled gently and continued, "Just like Ganesha, we can learn to pause and reflect before reacting. When we regulate our emotions, we maintain clarity and can handle challenges with wisdom." The lesson from the Ganesha Purana reminds us that real strength is mastering our emotions, not letting temporary feelings control us. It's about patience, understanding, and choosing love over anger. As Aisha listened, she felt inspired. She promised herself to practice emotional regulation, especially during stressful moments. They parted ways that evening, both carrying a renewed sense of calm and purpose, understanding that mastering their emotions was a key step towards a balanced, fulfilling life. And so, dear listeners, the ancient wisdom from the Ganesha Purana teaches us that no matter how chaotic life gets, the true power lies in our ability to remain centered, to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. When we do, we walk the path of inner peace and wisdom. And thank you, my dear listeners, for joining us on this episode of Vedic Wisdom. If you enjoyed this story and lesson, subscribe so you never miss an episode. Remember, the wisdom of ages is always within reach. Sometimes all it takes is a moment to pause, reflect, and choose love. Until next time, stay calm, stay wise. Namaste.